Hello everyone. Human-computer interaction. First question. Dash of a design demonstrates that within the various activities, the customer requirements are satisfied. Validation is the correct answer. Validation. Dash is with which new user can begin effective interaction and achieve maximal performance. Learnability is the correct answer. Dash technique which are used to express work domain requirement in a form that is both expressive and precise. Task analysis is the correct answer. Task analysis. Dash prototype is built and tested and design knowledge again from the exercise is used to build the final prototype, but the actual prototype is discarded. Throw away is the correct answer. Throw away. Dash refers to the ability to reach a desired goal after recognition of some error in previous interaction. Recoverability is the correct answer. Recoverability. Dash toolkit provide a mean for those with substantial computing skill to increase their productivity greatly. Programming toolkit is the correct answer. Programming. Dash is text which is not constrained to be linear. Hypertext is the correct answer. Dash system rely to greater extent on simultaneous use of multiple communication channel for both input and output. Multimodal system is the correct answer. Requirements are usually initially expressed in native language of Dash. Customer is the correct answer. Language of customer. The first activity is Dash level decomposition of the system into components that can either be brought in from existing software or developed from the scratch independently. High level decomposition. High level decomposition is the correct answer. The particular notation used can go long way toward making validation of Dash. Requirement feasible with expert assistance. Non-functional requirements is the correct answer. Non-functional. Dash final product is built as separate component. One at their one overall design for the final system, but is partitioned into independent and smaller components. Incremental final product. Incremental final product is the correct answer. Incremental final product. A final product above the traditional software life cycle is does not promote the use of Dash and technique that support the user perspective of the interactive system. Notation technique. Notation and technique. Use of notation and technique is the correct answer. Notations. Dash are people who do not fall into either of the first two categories, but who are directly affected by the success or failure of the system. Tertiary stakeholders. Tertiary stakeholder is a correct answer. Tertiary stakeholders are the people. Dash the multiplicity of a way in which the user can system exchange information. Flexibility the multiplicity of the way in the user and system exchange information. Flexibility is the correct answer. Dash the design process is often governed by contextual agreement between customer and the designer, which are affected by many of managerial and technical issues. Context the design process. Context is the correct answer. Dash the level of support provided to the user in determining success achievement and assessment of a goal. Robustness of the level. Robustness is the correct answer. The executable language for software are less natural and more closely related to Dash language, in which each term in language has precise interpretation or semantics. Mathematical language. The executable language to be software less natural and more closely related to mathematical language. Mathematical language is the correct answer. Dash deals with the duration of the effect, communication and ability of a user to make use of the effect. Persistence is the correct answer. Persistence deals with the duration of the effect communication at an ability of the user to make use of the effect. Dash are a way to lay out information. Dash are way to lay out information on the page, also referred to as information design. Wireframes is the correct answer. Wireframes are a way to lay out information on the page, also referred to as information design. Wireframes is the correct answer. Dash has been both influential and controversial in CSCW, not only analytical technique, but it has been used to guiding force behind the design of commercial system. Speech act theory is the correct answer. Speech act theory. Dash this can be used to fill the missing knowledge of both user and designer and provide a more focused view of the design. Workshops is the correct answer. Workshop. Dash is socio-technical methodology designed to practical to use in small organization. CUSTOM is the correct answer. custom. Check the description box for more questions. Thanks for watching this video. All the best for your examination. Subscribe this channel, Chrome Tech.